Hey everybody, I love to go out hiking, I love to go snowboarding and just be outdoors. So sometimes I find myself in areas where there's just a ton of brush. Where we live, there's a lot of ticks and bugs and critters and those type of things. So I wanted to get something to protect my legs. So I just got in these leg gaiters. We're gonna get them out, I'm gonna show them to you, and then we're gonna hit the trail. Okay, here they are. I just pulled them out of the bag. These are by QTECLOR right here. Just my initial thoughts as I pull them out. I really like the nylon material. It's got a couple different materials here that we're gonna go through, but let's just look at them real quick. You're gonna have your strap right here at the top. It's gonna go under and around, cinched tight. Really nice Velcro closure here that goes from top to bottom. Awesome. This is actually gonna go, this actually goes in the front because you're gonna have this nice metal hook right here. It's going to latch around the lace on your boot, which I'll show you once we get out. You're going to have this incredibly durable strap that's going to go under the bottom of your shoe, and it's going to latch to this buckle right here. Everything is sewn really, really well. Looks highly durable. The stitching is quality. It's going to have 3 layers of waterproofing, so if you're snowshoeing, if you're hiking out in the snow, if you're hunting, if you're camping, if you're running, if you're whatever you're doing, trail running, whatever you're doing outdoors, if you want a little added protection for your legs, for your boots, this is a great option for you by QTECLOR. You're going to notice there's a couple different fabrics here. The top is going to be a 500D nylon Oxford cloth material. It's a little softer than this part down here. A little bit more flexible. There is some stretch to it, not much, but a little bit. And that is definitely designed for your comfort. It's going to be folded over, stitched on top. Again, the stitching on this is remarkable. They look very comfortable. This is going to be the bottom part. You can see it right here where it's stitched. This bottom part is a little bit different material. This is a tear-proof, waterproof 500D nylon material as well. You're going to have triple layer protection. So this is a 3-in-1 cloth, waterproof, perfect for the outdoors. But not only are they waterproof, they're going to be dirt resistant, oil resistant, they're going to be breathable. These really are a great option. These are going to fold up real well. You're just going to fold them up, boom, boom. There you go. Shove it in your backpack. Probably could even fit into a larger fanny pack, shoulder bag, whatever. Boom, boom. Let's go. We're getting ready to go hiking, and we're getting out in some really thick brush with a lot of thistles. There shouldn't be any ticks yet, but just in case, we're going to throw these on. QTECLOR. These are amazing. They're waterproof, 3-layer. Let's get them on and hit the trail. I really like these leg gaiters. It attaches real nice to my lace right there so it doesn't lift up. These are QTECLOR leg gaiters.